This is the 2016 INFINITI QX80 Signature Edition. Coming in majestic white with a saddle tan interior, this can be yours today from Reserve Auto Group. Beefy, smooth, and quite luxurious, this SUV is perfect for the whole family. There's seating for up to 8 people with tons of legroom. The high contrast interior is very appealing, but don't let that distract you from all the cool tech on board, including an entertainment system. Under the hood is a 5.6-liter V8 delivering 400 horsepower.